Hi, my name is Rogelio, and I am going to talk about the science and the technology. Uh, the, First, I will show you an image that have a question of these these terms, and at the end of the video, I would like that you answer it. In this image, I propose like a question, and at the end of the video, I like that you answer that question because some people consider it very important, and these two terms are very important, the science and the technology. First, I have to say that this term is used to show the relationship between obviously the science and the technology. The science, it is a knowledge that we study. It is a study of something, like the chemistry, the biology, the geology, the social science, etc. Uh, the science is the set of knowledge, structure, and the technology is the application of all this knowledge in to make one thing. This is the main idea of this term. The science and the technology have potential to solve many problems, like the hungry of the world, to cure a lot of illness, to make a lot of things that solve many problems. But the the development of the technology, it can also bring wars, uh, make more illness. This is the problem of this is because the persons that pay the scientists, the person that have more power, the government, uh, are the persons that have all this technology, and the person that for tell it, like they create it because they paid. Many people think that the application of the science and the technology is the solution of many problems, that the technoscience can solve uh, the economy problems and that, but with the time the people make the technology something bad and make the rich people more rich and the poor people more poor. I would like to separate the science into three things, but I am going to say it like very fast because there isn't the main idea of this video. First, we have the the social science, that are the science that studies social groups. We have many like history, anthropology, geography, etc. Then we have the natural science, that this science is like the most important in terms of technology because it developed a lot of technology. I say that the 90% of the maybe more of the technology is developed by this science. This science is the study of the natural things. We have many examples like biology, um, physics, chemistry, etc. And finally, we have the formal science. This is a science that are made by inference. Like, yeah, I say that the blue pigs exist and the blue pigs exist. Uh, in conclusion, we have to try to use the technology in good ways, because if we continue uh, uh, leaving the government make the thing that they want with the technology, maybe someday the world will end and probably we will die with it. When the technology passed to bad hands, they used to bad purpose. But I think that the main idea of the technology is like to make our life easier, to solve problems that mainly we we did that problems cause we we start like attacking the world, uh, taking the resource of the world, and we make our problems. And I think that the technology is the main solution to solve that problems. But I leave it in your hands to you choose what is the answer of these questions. That's all. Thank you for watching.